just when you think that your fire season can't get any better, you come across this amazingness. This box is a must-have. I saw this and I thought, why have I never thought of this? A box to keep all your s'mores stuff in. It's always a pain in the butt when you have a fire trying to carry, you know, your marshmallows, your chocolate, your graham crackers. Get them all out there. They're everywhere. This is a game changer. So, it's like a s'mores tackle box. Open it up and you have 3 areas to organize. Top area is perfect for candy and your chocolate of choice. Right now we just have chocolate bars. Your second shelf here, you can get the fire roasting sticks, the collapsed sound made by the same company, or I used it to make our s'mores and I would set the graham crackers and have the chocolate already. Then you have your bottom part for your marshmallows and your graham crackers and whatever other goodies you decide to stick in there. And when you're ready for your fire, it's ready for you to have a fire. This is definitely, oops, a must-have hard. So, didn't want to close there one-handed, but I would definitely get this for your summertime fires.